So last semester, we started out with critical thinking and theology and philosophy, and so in each of those modules, we were discussing these big transcendent issues of what is reality and who is ultimate reality, and how do we know that He is ultimate reality, or that the physical world around us is real? How do we know what's true? So in mathematics, starting out this semester, we discussed this difference between pure mathematics and applied mathematics, and kind of bridging the gap between the transcendent and the imminent.
Going into the math module, I was honestly a little nervous that we were going to be, sitting around a table and just crunching numbers all the time. That was going to be our homework. Is just math problems, which is something that I've really never been good at, and is definitely not my God-given gift.
So beyond that, we also wanted our students to understand that mathematics isn't just this rote exercise. It's not just busy work. It's not just calculations on paper, but to finally see the greater purpose and meaning of mathematics.
I was really hoping that wasn't going to be the case, and when I found out that it really wasn't, I was pretty excited to start learning about the meaning of math and why we study it, where it came from, and it just sounded really cool the way we were approaching mathematics. Instead of just crunching numbers, we were really going to be looking into its purpose and whether it was created by God or man created it. And I think coming out of it, we all really learned a lot.
The topper was when James Nickel came in during our capstone week in week 5. And he came in with all of this passion and all of this excitement, and he just, with all of his experience and his the time that he's put into thinking about mathematics, he brought forward the Trinity in a new light.
James Nickel taught us a phrase called Perichoresis, which simply means the three persons of God and their relationship with each other. Him expounding on this term really showed us how involved Christ is with all of creation, and not just mankind, but also the sciences and every aspect of creation. And it also showed us our relationship with that. And it really changed my viewpoint on a lot of stuff.
Beginning with the scriptures, we spent so much time in the scriptures, which I think surprised a lot of our students, because they were like, we've got a mathematician here, why are we in the scriptures? But it was so important to him that you begin with the scriptures, and that your math is dictated by where you begin, where is your starting point. And so he started, we looked at John 14, where Christ says, I am in the Father, and the Father is in me. And you have this, again, this word, perichoresis, this mutual indwelling of Christ and the Father. And so he was able to demonstrate throughout his time with us just the importance of the Trinity. And I think that word, perichoresis, was probably the greatest takeaway of that week with him. In fact, it definitely was the most profound takeaway from the entire module.